foreign exchange market is a wild animal, tamed by a chosen few. I'm Alex Robinson, and today I'm going to be taking you through one of our many strategies here at the Platinum Trading Academy that can help you take control of the markets. You may have seen our trading system before, but may not know of all the opportunities that it brings for the everyday trader. Each zone has a unique purpose, and today I'm going to be giving you an insight into the fifth zones on both the buy and sell sides. This particular strategy is usable anytime in any market conditions, regardless of high-impact news events or global developments. When a currency pair hits the fifth zone, we let the trend continue until it begins to reverse. We apply our Fibonacci retracement levels to that price movement, placing our start point at the end of the movement, marked by point B, and our end point at the lowest point of the previous day, marked by point A. We then look to trade either the 38.2 retracement level or the 61.8 retracement level on this move, expecting the price to continue on its original trend after bouncing off one of these levels. Whether you trade either the 38.2 or the 61.8 or both is entirely at your discretion as a trader. We trade these opportunities at a 5-to-3 win-loss ratio, setting our stop losses at 30 pips and our take profits at 50 pips. This strategy relies heavily on our trading zones, and is only possible through the use of our unique trading system. With a healthy risk-to-reward and consistent performance, it exemplifies what technical expertise can achieve within the foreign exchange markets, enabling everyday traders to see the markets from the perspective of market professionals. If you'd like to learn about our other trading strategies, then simply visit the Trading Strategies section of our website, and enroll with the Platinum Trading Academy today.